The hydrostatic system consists of two parts: hydrostatic mainframe, pressure control section, constant temperature water tank, provide testing environment. Cold water tank with a chiller. Range the equipment reasonably. Hydrostatic mainframe access power. 380 V, 10 a 3-phase 4-wire system. Ground terminal to ground the device reliably. Tap water imports. With a high-pressure hose connected to the water source. Pressure relief interface. Access to the randomly equipped plastic hose. The other end goes into the sink or sewer. Connect the pressure outlet of the main engine with a high-pressure hose. 1, 2, 3 road to the tank. Constant temperature box power supply. Access 380 V. The communication port of the thermostat. Communication port for pressure mainframe. The power supply of the refrigerator is connected to this interface. The inlet of the refrigerator and the thermostat. Water outlet connection. This inlet is connected to the outlet of the refrigerator. Drain valve at the lower end of the tank. When cleaning the tank, turn on the water. Turn on mainframe power. Turn on main voltage power. Master pressure gauge. The parameters have been set before the factory. No modifications needed. When first pressing operation, exhaust operation to be performed. First rotate to the left. Open water relief valve. Close valve after steady flow of pressure relief opening. Turn right to close water relief valve. Press the green main pressure start button. When the main pressure is above the upper limit, the pump will automatically stop. Below the lower limit, the pump will automatically start. System automatic control. When the pressure is between the upper limit and the lower limit, you can experiment. The pipe pressure test is carried out in an incubator. Requirements for the test temperature. Before doing the experiment, first, the thermostatic control. Plug in the thermostat. The power light will come on. Press the power button. Press the loop button. The parameters of the temperature control instrument have been set. No need to modify. Constant temperature can be operated on a computer. Double-click the desktop icon. Open computer software. Click the login button. Click the connect button. Then click on the fourth temperature button. The current temperature control instrument set the constant temperature is 15 C. The current temperature is 17.4 C. If you need to do another temperature test, for example 85 C, can modify the setting temperature. Click the settings button. After setting up, you can click the start button to start the thermostat control. At this time, the set temperature and start command have been issued. The temperature control instrument has begun to control the temperature. This is a 32-pipe test sample. This is the clamp for the 32-pipe. Upper clamp. Lower clamp. Rotate and unscrew the bolts of the fixture. Open. Press plate to the specimen. Put it on. Sealing apron. Install the upper and lower jig heads and press them tightly. Will be under the fixture. Assembly completed. Fixing bolts. Tighten. Each bolt must be applied with equal force. Fastening. Under the fixture, assembly is complete. The pure water is injected into the sample until it is filled. In the same way, install the upper clamp. Sample fixture assembled. Connect the specimen to station 1 line. Loosen the bottom exhaust bolt. Because there is a small amount of air inside the tube sample, so it needs to be filled with water to drain the air. Click to enter the first station. Click the Fill Water button to flush the exhaust. Now you can see bubbles coming out. When there are no bubbles coming out, and there is water, tighten the bolts and complete the exhaust work. Place the sample in the incubator. Hang the specimen on the beam with a hook. Now we can test the pressure. After the flush is complete, we can test it. First, the constant pressure experiment. Selection of constant pressure test. Set the free length according to the sample. Outer diameter, minimum wall thickness and ring stress. Set complete. Click the Calculate button. Calculating test pressure. Pre-processing time. If pre-processing time is required, pre-processing time, no modification is required. Samples are pre-treated in the tank. After the pre-treatment is completed, the pressure control is carried out. If no pre-processing is required, change this parameter to 0. After initiating the experiment, Direct pressure control. After setting the experimental pressure and pretreatment, click the Settings button. Click the Start button. System for constant pressure control. The current pressure will slowly rise. After the current pressure reaches the set value, system starts timing. When the set time is reached, the test will stop automatically. When the test is completed, broken, suspended, you can save test data. Click the Save button. Enter regular parameters into the interface. For example, sample name, material type, production batch number, sample number and preparation method. All these parameters are typed in here. After typing, click the Save button to save. Save success has a tip. Click the OK button to close the tip. After saving is done, click the Back button to return to the main interface. Click on the Open Test Record button. In the list are the records of all the trials. Select the test record you just saved. Selected, click the Open button. Open the test record data. From this screen, Print and Print Preview. Click the Print Preview button. Preview Test Report. Click the Print button to print the test report. Select Output Printer. Click the OK button to print the report. The software has export function. In the File menu, there is an Export menu item. Can export both web format and Excel format. Perform export operations according to requirements. Select a storage location. Click to save. Now, the test records are coming out. The curve is on the second page. Report is on the first page. The entire test operation is complete.